Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make a natural lemon scrub. And I use just a few simple ingredients, a lot of which you might find in your pantry. And it's actually really easy, but for those of you who watch the video and say, I don't really feel like doing all that, that's fine. I actually make, package, and sell these locally and online. So the link will be below for that. And but for those who would like to give it a try or see if something you're interested in doing, these are the steps that I take. So I use pure cane sugar for the exfoliant. You can also use table salt if you want a finer, smoother grain. And I use coconut oil straight from my kitchen cabinet when I do it for myself, as well as olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. It also adds a little color to the mix. If you want yours to be scented, you can grab your favorite essential oil. I'll be using lemongrass because it smells like lemon cake. And I also grab a bowl, something that I can use to mix in easily. And I use 2 different measuring cups. I use a 1 cup measuring cup and then a 4th cup measuring cup. So yeah, I pull most of these ingredients from my pantry. And if I don't already have some in there, then I just grab some from my grocery store, Aldi's being my favorite. All right, so on to the mix. First thing I do is measure out 1 cup of sugar and I pour that right into the bowl first. You'll want to take notice of the texture of the sugar. It's like a nice dry sand texture, and I'll come back to that a little later. Next, I'm going to take the 1/4 cup measure and I'm just going to fill that only halfway full with the coconut oil. And then I'm going to pour on top of that the olive oil. And so I've got this measuring cup full of oil, 2 different oils. And then I'm just going to pour that right into the mix and then scoop out the remaining coconut oil into the mix. So I'm going to give this a really good stir. I want to make sure that it's all mixed really well together. And if you remember earlier, we talked about that dusty sand texture. If you still see some of that dusty sand texture still in the spoon or hanging out in there, then you're going to want to mix it together a good bit longer. And you'll notice once it's mixed together, you can't see any pieces of the dry sand left, and it's more of a nice wet sand texture. So this mix works perfectly well as is. For me, I add in 4 drops of lemongrass essential oil. And that's one of my favorite essential oils because it gives it a nice lemon cake scent. So once I've got it all mixed in, then I sprinkle a little bit into my hand and head to the sink. Once I've moistened my hands, I'll massage this on for about 30 seconds to a minute. I also make sure to pay close attention to any dry areas and just take time to just enjoy the spa-like massage. Last but not least, I rinse my hands with pure water and marvel at the smooth results I got from just a few simple pure ingredients. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and check out the links below, and I'll see you in the next video.